plug, got a dollar, so my ball right hooked in. To the top, but I'm coming from the bottom of the 7 like Vic KD out of Brooklyn. Understand why Spike made Brooklyn, they want me to hang from the noose. The friend that shooting with Timberland boots. Don't forget my sin while I'm in the pen, writing with a pen, got a millionaire on the loose. Was your love real fake, was it lust for me? Should've kept a mask on, it was trust for me. Had to get it out the mud, now it's up to me. Now I'm living real good, you wanna fuck with me? I remember good times like I'm Florida. Clayton James and JJ Evans from the 757, couple miles from heaven. Looking down while I'm stacking up those houses, some sweet jewels of a bank here. Niggas ran taking off by the right here. Used to kill a big kid when we fight fair. Niggas stepping in the yours, so night is. Like Derek got me feeling like a mic here. I'm keeping on the side like a pocket or a host. I'ma reach first like another little tight time. Gotta watch close when your enemies closer. Self-made, you made to me. And you never was a friend you pretend to be. I'm an all joke to you, pretend to me. Second guessing who you is, you came to me. The thuggers rub his bones, say the best for the people. For the love money, be the root of all evil. About to get some more, motherfucker, wanna leave. Just keep it 100, motherfucker, I don't need.
I swear they only here because of where I'm at.
They don't really fuck with me.
They only stay cause I do what they can.
No, they don't really fuck with me. Really fuck with me, really fuck with me. Never loyal, kick a mo with me. Throw me out when they done with me. They don't really
I swear they only here because of where I'm at.
They don't really fuck with me.
They stay cause I do what they can.
No, they don't really fuck with me. Really fuck with me, really fuck with me. Never loyal, kick a mo with me. Throw me out when they done with me. They don't really.
No cap. In all reality, I noticed that fans with that fandom nowadays, they be the ones we let get the closest to or hurt us the most in the end. That's dangerous. My circle's so small to the point it won't make a full 360 degrees now. Separate the fake from the real niggas in your life. Once a person show you who he is, take that mask off, don't you ever forget that face. Be careful around jealousy and envy. That be the ones that cross you in the end. Hold on, Endo. Keep this beat going. Let me get all this shit off my chest. Let me take these gazelles off when I say this. Stop letting these motherfuckers use you. Open your eyes. They fucking with you for a secret purpose. If you let that fake love blind you, that could be your downfall, the cause of death. If you ain't on my way, stay the fuck from around me. Hammer time, Gutta. I don't bring the hook in.
I swear they only here because of where I'm at.
They don't really fuck with me.
They only stay cause I do what they can.
No, they don't really fuck with me. Really fuck with me, really fuck with me. Never loyal, kick a mo with me. Throw me out when they done with me. They don't really